Hi, my name is Johnny Muller, and I'm presenting my paper, A Brief Analysis of Proteins with Emphasis on Cytochrome Oxidase. Proteins are very important macromolecules in biology. Their function differs. It depends on the structure of the protein. One really important protein are antibodies, and as we all know, they protect our body from illnesses and pathogenic agents. Another important one are proteases, and those bind to molecules and will tear them down for either decomposition or consumption. The structure of proteins differs based on the complexity of that protein. The primary structure consists of the amino acids, which are bonded together by peptide bonds to form the polypeptide chains. The secondary structure is the organization of these primary structures into a larger structure, which generally takes the shape of either alpha helices or beta pleated sheets. The tertiary structure or the organizations of these beta pleated sheets or alpha helices into a larger unified structure. And the quaternary structure is the organization of two or more tertiary structures into a larger structure. And a protein can exist with either a tertiary or quaternary structure. Cytochrome oxidase resides within the electron transport chain. From there, it takes elemental oxygen and reduces it into water, and then later goes on to take this energy and pump protons across the membrane to create the electrochemical gradient that powers ATP synthesis. And this is very important because most of the energy ATP we get from respiration comes from the electron transport chain. And so proper function of cytochrome oxidase is very important. Okay, now on to the ribbon structure on slide 4. The primary structure of cytochrome oxidase consists of the polypeptide chains, which are not shown. The secondary structures consist mainly of alpha helices. There are a couple beta pleated sheets though. The tertiary structures are these multicolored subunits, and the quaternary structure is the combination of all of these subunits into the functioning protein structure. Mammalian cytochrome oxidase consists of 13 subunits. The first three form the catalytic core, which is responsible for the function of the protein, and the last 10 provide structure and regulation of the protein structure. Of the protein function. Assembly of these subunits, of these 13 subunits, is very complex. It requires 30 assembly factors, and the assembly, really the process how they assemble is not very well understood right now. There are several diseases that can result from improper cytochrome oxidase function. Usually this poor function results from mutations in the mitochondrial DNA or the nuclear DNA. And let's see. One disease that can result from poor function is Leigh's disease. And this results from lesions within the brain. And the symptoms can be very severe. They range from psychomotor retardation, lactic acidosis, developmental delay, and several others. And this disease usually kills within the first 10 years of diagnosis. As research has expanded, poor cytochrome oxidase function has also been linked to Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. And so, as you can see, it's very important for cytochrome oxidase to function properly because its proper function is very crucial for metabolism, and also poor function can result in many very serious diseases. Well, that's my paper. I hope you enjoyed it.